Hi there, students. To be there. To be there for somebody. Okay, this is to help and support somebody, especially in a time of difficulty. So you're always there for me. Yeah? You're always helping me when I'm going through hard times. Yeah? This makes me think of the song by the Four Tops. I think it Reach Out, I'll Be There. I'll be there. Or there's also a song by the Jackson 5, I'll Be There as well, which is another very famous one. Okay, so to be there for somebody, to be available to provide help and to support them. Okay, so you're always there for me, and I'm just so happy about it. Yeah, you're such a good friend. So a real friend is always there for you. Yeah, not a fair weather friend, but somebody who's available to provide comfort and support. Yeah, when things go wrong, when things are difficult. Yeah, so parents should always be there for their children. Yeah, they need to give them support. So to be there for somebody. Yeah, I'll be there for you. He's always there for me. I'll be there for you. I'm your friend. And that's the idea. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. To be there for somebody. I'll be there.